unavailable.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and on today's episode, we're reviewing Duck Hunt. And yes, it is what you're thinking it is. If you are familiar with the game Duck Hunt back in the Nintendo days, or I think it was an Atari, or no, it was the first Nintendo. So if you're familiar with that, that is what this is. But it is in an audio form. So it's basically you shoot down ducks, and you say how far you can get. So without further ado, let's Duck Hunt.
Desktop list. Duck Hunt 40 of 49. Wave Duck Hunt 40 of 49.
Here we go. Are you going to load? I don't know why this game takes... Oh, there it goes.
Duck Hunt. Version 1.1. Press space to choose a game mode.
So we have...
Press the enter key to start.
So we have...
Press escape to end.
So we have...
1 duck.
1 duck.
2 ducks.
2 ducks. And...
Clay pigeons.
So, let's try 1 duck. And see how we do.
1 duck.
But nonetheless, here we go.
Round 1. Score 0.
Boom! Got him. Got it. Ooh, and I was on my last shot. Ooh wee, that was close. Oh, crap, he got away. Gotcha. No duck shall escape my bullets. Ha ha ha. Took away.
Round 2. Score 9.
Got him all that time, I think. Got it.
Round 3. Score 19. Thanks for playing.
Desktop list. Duck Hunt
Alright,
40 of
so
49.
that's Duck Hunt with 1 duck. Let's try 2 ducks.
Wave Duck Hunt 40 of 40.
I don't know why it makes you do that every time you close the game. It should just take you back to the main menu, but I don't know why it does that. But anywho, we'll go try with 2 ducks.
Duck Hunt. One duck.
2 ducks. Okay, here we go.
2 ducks.
Here we go. This can be sometimes hard.
Round
Sometimes
1.
easy, but
Score
yeah,
0.
oh, got them both at the same time. Haha. Both again. Boom, boom. Ooh, those two weren't like. I had to move for those two. Ooh, got him again. I like it when they're like that. Just shoot them down. Bow, bow.
Round 2.
All at once.
Score 10.
Darn. Oh, I still one shot, but I got them both. Okay, the game tried to crash. Whoops. Got him.
Round 3. Score 20.
Alright. So
Thanks for
that
playing.
is 2 ducks. Now let's go try
Desktop
clay
list. Duck Hunt
pigeons.
4049. Waves like Duck Hunt 4049.
And that'll be it for the show after I do the clay pigeons. So, yep. Ouch.
Duck Hunt. Version 1.1. Press space to choose a game mode.
Ugh. Come on, man.
1 duck. 2 ducks.
Okay, here we go. Clay pigeons. Alright, let's see.
Clay pigeons.
Okay, here we go. The last thing you can do on this game.
Round 1. Score 0.
This is a bit harder. There we go. Got it.
Round 2. Score 8.
Oh. Oh, I see. You gotta wait until. I see. Ah, see, you gotta wait until the right time to shoot it. Alright.
Round 3. Score 18.
Nope. Oh, took me with. Oh. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the game Duck Hunt.
Round
So-
4. Score 27.
I hope you've enjoyed.
Thanks for playing.
Okay, that was a bit. Okay, stop.
Desktop list. Duck Hunt 40 of 40.
Okay. The sounds were still trying to go as I closed the game. That was weird. But anywho, that is the game Duck Hunt. I hope you've enjoyed the episode, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.
49. Cock preamp P3 record. Cock preamp stop.